Here, we may have to keep these over here. Those are good. All right, yeah, take those. All right, so today Leon and Lulu is hosting a Made to Eat in Michigan event. It's tasting local cuisines from food vendors, and the owner of Leon and Lulu, Mary Liz Curtin, here right now to tell us a little bit more about this event. First of all, Mary Liz, who's Leon? Who's Lulu?
Leon was our cat. He was the alpha cat in the neighborhood. He was almost 19 when he died. And then Lulu was our first greeter, and she was a 105-pound Rottweiler.
And if you've never been to Leon and Lulu, there's cats and dogs and all kinds of animals running all over.
All sorts of chaos at all times.
And people running in roller skates.
Roller skaters on weekends.
Your crazy store there. All right, so what kind of thing, what do we have here?
Well, first of all, I want to point out that we're in the kitchen here, and we have no business being in the kitchen because we're not cooking, we are eating. This is all about eating today at Leon and Lulu, and we have 32 small batch artisanal food vendors who will be there with samples. You can taste them. We've got phenomenal, oh, this is great. These are the rubs seasonings for meats. We have homemade vinegar from, I guess I should really be able to see for this.
Okay. That's all right.
We've got, what's this? Another rub for the meat. This is Terra Gray from Gus and Gray's Jam. Phenomenal. This one, as you pointed out.
Wow.
What?
Well, I had the sweet potato pie.
Uncle Calvin's sweet potato pie.
I don't know what Uncle Calvin's doing to this pie, but Uncle Calvin's got it down. I had this on what, Thursday, I think?
On Thursday.
And it was fantastic.
Yeah, we had some little samples, and I kept saying, well, they're little, they can't really have any calories.
No, I need the
and then we've got some fabulous candied pecans from Craze. Craze has a whole collection of wonderful stuff. Cashews. Open them.
All right.
And then granola on the healthy side from Deborah's Granola. Absolutely delicious. And we all know Dave's Sweet Tooth Toffee.
Oh, my gosh.
Amazing.
Yes. You know what? Here, let's do it.
You need help with this.
I'm messing up here. Let's just open all.
There you go.
Figure something out.
Two kinds of salsa from Maria's and from Mrs. Pruitt's.
There's a hot sauce? Is that what I
There's the hot sauce right there. And that hot sauce from Hellfire Detroit comes with 4 different Scoville ratings.
What? A Scoville? Scoville.
Tells you how hot it is.
What's the hottest one you have here?
I don't know. The one with the highest number.
Whoa, here's 1,000, 2,000 units.
That's Poblano.
That's hot.
That's way hot. Okay, here, Charlie.
Okay.
They're pretty good. Peanut butter, gluten-free gourmet cookies. Hard to say.
Let's try this one.
And then Bernie's something chocolate is a chocolate ganache in little tiny one-person tastes. Unbelievable. I'm not supposed to talk with my mouth full. You can't really shut me up. Those are delicious.
So what's the deal today? So what's the hours of event?
We're open from 11 to 5.
Can't talk, can you?
Mom, he made me do it. We're open from 11 to 5 today. 32 vendors with tastings of all of these things. We'll be serving refreshments. There'll be a roller skater skating around. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you can taste Uncle Calvin's pie.
All right, now here we go. You have to taste all of it.
That's all you. All you.
This is a southern thing.
I have my eye on the chocolates down here.
Oh, you have the eye on the chocolate. All right, here's the deal, though. Look at these plates. I don't know if this is part of the Made in Michigan.
It's not made in Michigan, but it's sold at retail in Michigan, which makes almost the same thing.
There's bugs on the plates.
These are Melavine plates. They're ready for your picnic, and they've already got ants on them.
Hold on. I think Uncle Calvin's. Hold that. All right, here we go. All right, hold on. It doesn't wrap up out.
Fabulous.
That's fabulous.
Come see us today at Leon and Lulu.
Leon and Lulu, 14 Mile in Clawson. We'll put the information on our website. One more piece of stuff here. Well, all the information on our website here. And what am I going back to Allen right now for the weather? We're going to eat some more. Oh, look at that. What you eating?
You got to get into that Gus and Gray, Charlie. If you know what's good for you, Gus and Gray jam. Not bad stuff. Sunshine out there.